Hello internet. So if you watch a lot of Hollywood movies, then you probably heard this sound. Well, it's called the Wilhelm scream and was first used in a movie called The Distant Drums in 1951. And it's called Wilhelm scream because the person who made that scream was called Private Wilhelm. And that scream or sound effect has gone to be used in a lot of more movies like the Star Wars movies, the Toy Story, even Terminator, and then other movies. So yeah, the next time you watch a movie, keep your eye out. So yeah, the next time you watch a movie, keep your ear out. And also, if you've already noticed this, tell me in the comment section what kind of movies you've heard this sound from and tell me what you think. Also, follow me for more videos like these. Bye.